In Venezuela tonight, it is a continued and ongoing rush to find more survivors as that country continues to get hit by even more aftershocks, 200 plus since yesterday or 2 days ago, including a 4.7 magnitude earthquake off the coast today. The death toll rapidly climbing, now to more than 900 as of tonight, with more than 3,300 injured after two powerful earthquakes hit 2 days ago around the dinner hour. The first 72 hours always considered critical when rescuing trapped survivors. Crews from the United States, Colombia, Spain, Chile, the Dominican Republic, all joining in the search.
We have a total of 25 teams, both search and rescues and medical teams from across the world deploying, with a total of 1,000 rescue personnel, with more to come.
And money is flowing as well. The United States, besides people, has also promised $150 million in emergency aid to Venezuela and has temporarily lifted economic sanctions on that country to help provide relief on that front as well.